Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's fairly early spring here. First uh, couple leaves coming in here, and many more buds. Some of them not apparent to the eye, some of them not apparent to the untrained eye, and some of them perhaps imperceptible, except for through maybe a microscope or something, or dissection. I don't know. But the idea here, the inspiration for me in spring here is we generally in our arts don't want to do a move before we're intended to do the move because we're not in the place to do it. It's not the appropriate time, but also it displaces our, let's say, our consciousness from the move we are currently supposed to be doing because we're thinking about what's next. But a bud does kind of show us what's next. It does show us something early in its life. And so uh, as I'm practicing, let's say move B, just to, and perhaps what I can do is consider while I'm doing B without interfering with my ability to do move B, consider the bud that may be apparent or extant in move B, which will see flower in move C. So I don't know what that means. Does that mean that the bud, right, is the intention or the looseness or the stance or the positioning um, or the relaxation, the don't know. Is it that my hand has gotten low so it can rise because move C is a rising hand move? I don't know. So I've said B and C, but we could certainly consider that when I'm doing move B, there's a bud for move F or a bud for move Z or a bud for the whole rest of the alphabet, a bunch of different buds that are there, and they're set to leaf and flower in their own time. So that's the idea without um, inhibiting your ability to do the move that you're currently doing. See if you can open up to what the buds are for the moves that are to come, but are not yet meant to be in flower and leaf. So thank you very much, and plant some seeds.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.